Okay, so you're going to start out with the brown transition color, and you're going to put this in your crease and outer corner. Make sure that this shade is not too much darker than your skin tone, because this is just so that we let the gray blend really nicely. So now you're going to take the gray and you're going to put that right over where you put the brown transition color, and you're going to build this up to nothing too dark, but you don't want it to be very pale either. So as you can see, I took a little bit more and I packed it onto my outer corner, and then I'm just blending it and pushing it into the crease so that it looks a little deeper. Then I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to blend the line where the shadow meets my skin so it looks nice and blended and not so blunt. And then you're going to take a flat packing brush and you're going to go into your silver shade, making sure that the silver shade that you buy is silver and not white, and that it is metallic. After you do this, you're going to do that on the other eye, making sure that you put this on the part of the lid that we didn't put anything earlier, and then you need to make sure that you also blend it into the gray on the outer corner. Once I'm done doing all of that, I'm just going to pick up the fluffy brush that I used to put the gray in my crease, and I'm just going to blend that top in so that the silver and the gray mix in better. Now what you're going to do, this is going to depend on the color of your uniform. There are blue, pink, purple, and orange. So obviously I have blue because that's what I had. But you'll see at the end of the video what you need to buy depending on your uniform. So whatever color it is that you're wearing, you're going to take that on a packing brush and you're going to put that on your bottom lash line, and you're going to pull it up like kind of like a winged liner. And then you're going to go back into your silver and you're going to put that in your inner corner, blending it into that color on your bottom lash line, and then also making sure that it connects to the top lid. Now you're going to take eyeliner, and again, this will depend on the color of your uniform. You're going to give yourself a wing. You need to make sure that the wing is parallel to the color that you have on your bottom lash line. Don't let it touch, but it has to stay parallel. It also needs to be a little bit shorter, I suppose, than your wing on the bottom. So the bottom color needs to be longer than the actual eyeliner. And then what I'm doing here is I'm taking a bit of concealer and I'm making sure that there's a distinction between the eyeliner and the bottom lash line color. Now you're going to put on mascara, and you're going to put that color, blue, purple, pink, or orange. You're going to put that eyeshadow into your waterline. And then you're going to add the Fuchsia lipstick, and that's it. Making sure that you do your base and do your eyebrows just like you did for the game.
This is a Line Upon Beats production.